Hello everyone, welcome back to 5F. So we're gonna find in the equations of the straight line graph. As we said before, the intersection slope form is y equal to a plus bx. The first thing first, we're gonna identify the y-intercept using 2 points to graph the slope, and then substitute the two values stand with the y equal to a plus bx, and then that works. So now what we do is we're going to determine the straight line graph. So first thing first, we can highlight this most important thing in here. This is your y-intercept. So I'm going to name this one y-intercept. Perfect. Now I'm going to pick up 2 points. Another point, you can say on the number 5 for x, and then actually is 9, so 5, 9 for x and y values. So now you have points 0, 2 and 5, 9. Okay, now we're gonna make the straight line from here. And remember, we do rise and wrong. So what we do is wrong equal to 0 to 5, which is 5. Wrong will be 4 minus 2 equal to 7. So now we know slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That equal to 9 minus 2 over 5 minus 0. So that equals, so we say this one is x1, y1. By the way, just be aware, x2, y2. So once we know that, perfect. And now what we do is 7 over 2. Sorry, I have 7 over 5 is slope. And y-intercept will equal to 2. So if you want to change the fraction, that equal to 1.4. So you can use the CAS calculator. And then y equal to 2 plus 1.4x. That will be your intercept points equation form. Yes, sorry. It's just a different call. The equation of the line. Yeah. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you 2 points of finding the equation of straight line. First thing first. We're using coordinates to 2 points. A line determine the slope. Substitution the values, the slope of equation. Now we only have one unknown like a or something, which is your y-intercept. And now we substitution the unknown number, which is a, which is we can using when x equal to 0, we can find a. Yeah. So substitution the value and b a general equation, and then we obtain the equation for the straight line. And let's have a look at this one. Yeah. So we know we're gonna come up with the y equal to a plus bx. First thing first, we find the slope equal to y2 minus y1 minus x2 minus x1. And then we know rise and wrong, which is y2 is 10. We're normally using the top, not top, I say this point on the right is called x2, y2. And this point x1, y1. Yeah. So now what we know is 10 minus 1 over 4 minus 2. So now we have 9 on top and 2 on the bottom. So then that equal to 4.5. Perfect. So that equal to b. Okay, so that equal to b. You know slope is b. Slope is b. Now we figure out using the point 2, 1. And now we substitution. So it's when x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So which means y equal to 1 equal to a plus 4.5 multiplied by 2. That's it, because we substitution the x and y into our y equal to a plus 4.5x. That's it. And now we do y equal to a plus 9. So what do you think a equals? We learned this one before. So 1 minus 9 equal to minus 8. Perfect. Then your graph will equal to y equal to minus 8 plus 4.5x. That's it. Find it. And in next video, I will show you how to use the CAS calculator to solve this question. I will see you guys next time.